In this video, I'm going to show you how to change chat text size in Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. If the chat text feels too small or too large, Cursor makes it pretty easy to adjust by changing the global editor font size. That means you only need to update one setting and the chat text will follow along. This is a quick fix, but it can make a huge difference for comfort and readability while you work. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Cursor AI guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once you're inside the app, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That is your settings menu, and that's where we need to go to adjust the text size. Click the gear icon to open the settings panel. Now here's the important part. In Cursor, the chat font size is linked to the global editor font size, so instead of changing chat text separately, you'll need to change the main editor font setting. This is actually helpful because it keeps your interface consistent across the app. Inside Settings, click the General tab. This is where Cursor stores a lot of the core appearance and editor options. Once you're on the General tab, scroll or look through the options until you find the Editor section. In that section, you should see a font size field. Click into the font size field and then type in a new value or select one from the available options. For example, if you want the text to look a little bigger and easier to read, you might try 14 or 16. If you prefer a more compact layout, you can choose a smaller size. The best part is you can experiment until it feels right for your screen and your workflow. After you change the font size, Cursor will apply that setting to the editor, and the chat text size should update as well. So if you open the chat panel again, you should notice the text is now larger or smaller depending on the value you selected. If it doesn't look perfect right away, just go back and fine-tune the number until it feels comfortable. A quick tip here. If you use Cursor for long coding sessions, making the chat text slightly larger can reduce eye strain and make prompts much easier to read. On the other hand, if you like having more text visible at once, a smaller font size can help you fit more on the screen. So it really comes down to personal preference and your setup. And that's it. You've now learned how to change chat text size in Cursor AI by adjusting the editor font size in settings. It only takes a moment, but it can make the app much easier to use every day. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Cursor AI tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.